Hello, and welcome to a special episode of Armchair Unboxing. Today we have a special guest unboxer to unbox a new piece of kit for her podcasting empire. I'd like to introduce to you my wife and host of the Story Power podcast, Lucinda Sage-Midgorden.
Hello, I'm Lucinda Sage-Midgorden, and as my husband Barry said, I am the host of Story Power, which is available on YouTube, here on YouTube. It's also available lots of other places, but I just finished uploading all of my episodes from 4 years, and I thought it was time to get a new piece of equipment. I've been using headphones with a mic, and so Barry did the research for me, and I'm going to take the plastic off so you can see what this is. It's a new microphone. I'm a scissors kind of girl. I don't like knives. So, Barry did the research. I have not looked at this until today. So, it is the AudioPro microphone. Oh, condenser microphone. So it has a lot of features that I just noticed today, like it has earphone monitoring, professional, reduced noise, which is good neat because it's summer and I like to have the fan on in my office. And if it gets rid of that sound, that'd be great. It has cardioid pickup, volume adjustment, clear recording, and plug and play. So I'm going to take, I don't know how to do this. I'm a novice. Okay, let's see how to get into this box. Oh, there we go. Aha. Oh dear. There we go. 3-year warranty. I'm sure that Story Power is going to be around that long. Let's see what else. Oh, a quick guide on how to use it. Quick guide. That's good. And a user manual. I probably will not use the user manual or read it, but Barry is famous for reading the user manual. So if I get stuck, he will probably have the answer to my question. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Oh, here, I know what this is. Because I have a very small one for my mic. It's all kind of mashed up though. Goes on the top, it goes over the mic so that the spit doesn't bother your recording. Let's see, this is kind of heavy. Let's see if I can get it out. Aha! Okay. Oh, here's the nice mic. And let's see, we have one cable, 2 cables, so that you have hookups for all kinds of different devices. And let's see, what is this, I wonder? Must be an adapter of some sort. Adapter, where does it go? I don't know. So here it is, this beautiful new microphone. I see all kinds of people on YouTube who have these new beautiful microphones so they don't have to have headphones on their head and mess up their hair or whatever. And yeah, I wanted to get one of these because hopefully in the new year, my sister Celeste and I are going to start a new YouTube channel called Classic Cinema with the Sage Sisters. And I wanted to have a new microphone for that because we're actually going to be able to see us. Story Power is not, it has the pictures of me and the person talking, but it doesn't have the video of us actually talking. So my new microphone, thank you so much, Barry, for picking it out for me. I'm really excited. Maybe I will read the user manual just so I make sure and use it properly.
Thank you, Lucinda. And I will say one more thing. This was recommended and it has been used by the president of the Macintosh user group that I'm a member of, Mountain View Computer Users Group, as a nice microphone. It's got good reviews on YouTube and Amazon. It is heavy, wow. And you bet I will read the manual because I need to set it up in Lucinda's studio for some recording tomorrow. First episode to be recorded with a new mic. Thanks for watching this episode, the special episode of Armchair Unboxing. I'm Barry Midgorden, Baz Mac Geek. I'll see you in the next episode. Oh.